Okay, so I got my tool. This is the second one. The first one went good. I can see all the ends of the pins. Plugged it in the FICM, works well, perfect, nice and secure. The second one it looked pretty good, but if you notice, the clip's broken right there. It should look like that without a broken end on it. So this one inside here, that one should be covered on the end here. So far I've taken these first two wires out and I've plugged them right into the new clip, but I didn't push them all the way in yet. But I just gotta make sure that they're lined up. One of the other things you want to do is take a picture prior to removing all the wires so that you can see what order the colored wires go in. That way if something happens, they all come out all at once, you can still put them back the way they were. It's very important that they go back the same way. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my tool and I sprayed it a little bit with some WD-40, help lube it going in. And if you look, it's hard to get this, wants to focus on that. So grab it, go around the wire, and right now the tool is faced like that. When you go in, you want to turn it this way, that way it straddles both prongs that are in the inside. So it wants to go in this way initially, but I'll turn it. As I work it in, I'll turn it. And we'll just go ahead and push it in. These tools are very delicate, so you have to be very careful. I kind of work it in and out, and once you get it in a certain distance, it should be far enough to release those prongs. It's difficult to show you at the same time because I'm trying to not block the camera. So I'm just going to move this wire, bend it a little bit out of the way. So if you kind of make the wires perfectly straight, it's a lot easier. So, or you know what, I'll turn it this way, see if that helps. I'm working on the top row all the way across. It might be better to do both sides and work our way down that way. You know, might be easier to access the wires. Yeah, I think I might do that instead. So I'm gonna go, this is pin 24 that I'm working on now here. So just take that, slide it in. See, it went in pretty easy. And then I can take my, I don't like to use pliers because that'll damage the wire. I'm using my flathead and just kind of working it out. Make sure that tool's all the way in. And just be very gentle as you pull it out so you get released. So now you can pull the tool out and the wire comes right out. And the wire comes right out. Like that. Take that immediately and put it into the correct hole. So then make sure they're not twisted up. And they're put in the same way. And just slide it in. You can push them in all the way later. So that worked pretty simple. So we'll do the rest of them just like that. Take your time, be very careful, and I'll show you after it's done.